You've probably heard a lot of people talking about Sculptra recently because it's become increasingly popular for a wide variety of indications in the face and the neck and the body and even the butt. So what's the difference between Sculptra and a traditional hyaluronic acid filler like Restylane or Juvederm? So a traditional HA filler, hyaluronic acid filler, is a gel compound made of hyaluronic acid. Comes prepackaged in a syringe like this, and we use it to inject into different areas of the face, under eyes, cheeks, lips, all over, to replace deep volume loss associated with aging or to correct more superficial, moderate to severe folds, wrinkles, things like that. Sculptra, on the other hand, is a product called PLLA or poly-L-lactic acid. So how this differs is that it comes in a vial in powder form that we reconstitute, and then we inject that compound into the tissue. And those little particles of Sculptra stay in the tissue and they create a controlled inflammatory response that stimulates your body to produce its own collagen. So it helps regenerate your own body's tissue. That is why we call it a biostimulatory filler. Now, this is great for areas like the lower face or the neck or the temples, areas where some people feel like filler can get a little heavy, or they've had bad experiences and it got lumpy, or they had other issues with it. It's nice, it's soft and natural, and it develops over time, so you can really see the results. And it also helps with skin texture and clarity. So if you're not sure if you're a candidate for Sculptra or a traditional HA filler, schedule a consult or shoot me a message and I'd be more than happy to help you out. Have a great day.